Hey guys, Joe Doobie here, the Motivated I Am Marketer, and I just wanted to go ahead and talk to you a little bit today about how important it is to build an online audience. Okay, um, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a couple of things. I'm going to show you my website, going to show you my Facebook profile, and also my email client. Those are three things that you really need to have in order to do anything, to make any sales online, whether it's affiliate sales or if you've created your own product, right? So basically, I've done a couple of blog posts about that. Okay, and see how important it is. I have a pop up every time somebody goes onto my website. Simple hack to double or even triple your online income. Bam! You put your email in there. Give me my hack. I get their email address. They get the PDF that I created to educate them on how to know who your customer is. Okay, that's extremely important. So all I did was I went and I explained to people how important it is to have an online audience. Again, they have to know, like, and trust you in order to buy from you. That's just where it's human nature, right? So what I did was, I created this post, and then I went over to my, uh, I put the post on my website, and then I went over to my Facebook profile, and I put it on here. This is a different post that I did, and then so once you do that, you can also, if you have a email list, fire a broadcast email out, create a message and then send a broadcast email out to your lists. So that's extremely important because if you don't listen, if you don't have an audience, who are you going to sell to? I mean, you're not going to have anybody to sell to. I mean, you can't send affiliate offers or even offers that you create to paid traffic. I mean, you're going to go broke, right? So, anyways, so once you pick your social media platform and you have your website and your email client, what you need to do is create content, okay, for the social media platform. And I understand not everybody is a real good writer. They don't think that they're a great writer, but what I did was a while back I created a whole product, a paid product on that called the Captivating Content System, and it's a 5-step system to teach you how to create content quick and easy and engaging. But really, that's not why I created this video. But I will put a link in the description and below so you can check it out. But basically, what I do, I'll give you a little quick taste here. First step, topic targeting. Okay, and what I do is, let me go there. How I do that is like I go to BuzzSumo, and you can get a couple of ideas from them. Like I put affiliate marketing in here, and look at how many Facebook engagements, 10,400 engagements about ClickFunnels. Okay, so that's a something that you may want to look at. So you take a look at it and you click on there and then you read through it and see what it's all about. And then, have a take on it, and put it in your own words, right? And then that information has gotten a lot of engagement on various social media platforms like affiliate marketing for beginners. Okay, that's a really good topic. So you click on it, and then yeah, and then what you do is you go through that and give an idea of what that's all about. Okay, this is just to get ideas or topics. Okay, so then you have your topic, and then what you do is you got to have a headline that grabs their attention. Okay, almost like punch them in the face, right? So how you do that is you go to this. Uh, it's a kick-ass headline generator. Okay, it's here's the URL. Sorry, guys. Here's the URL for it. Okay, so anyhow, here's how this works. Okay, strong and controversial. That's my favorite. That's where I'm at now. So, say the topic is making money online. Okay, so warning: are you sabotaging your wealth? Or let's start making money online, right? You won't be able to make money online in 2018. Well, somebody might, take a look at that because what if they're in affiliate marketing or online marketing and they want to know why this person doesn't think they'll be able to make money in online in 2018. Okay, so the headline is important. Think about, look at different emails that you have opened. What types of emails do you open regularly, right? So model those after yours, or model those headlines or subject lines after your content that you're creating, okay? So then once you do that, then you do the setup. You state the problem of what you're going to be talking about, okay? And then once you state the problem, you give them a solution to the problem. And then once you give the solution to the problem, you have a resolution and takeaways, or the conclusion. And usually within steps 4 or 5, I'm able to give a good idea of what I'm able to kind of weave my pitch, a soft pitch, within my story, okay? And so what I'll typically do is I'll go ahead and I'll send I'll go ahead and I'll create it here on my blog, and then I'll post it over here, and I might make a video on it here. And so that way, I mean, you can do one bit of content and then repurpose it all over, right? So it's really not that hard. So anyhow, so that's what I got here. Start out with just one social media platform. Make sure you have a website that you can use. You kind of have those 3 things: a social media platform, a website, and an email client, like I showed you, Aweber. And then what you need to do too is you have to get people on the list. So how do you do that? Remember, you make a go ahead and make a what do you call it? A lead magnet, right? And then put it on, as a pop-up on your website. They got to put their email address in order to grab it, and then you can start mailing to them and warm them up. So anyhow, I really hope that this helps you guys in your quest to make money online. Listen, share, comment, and like this video, and then also if you are interested in the Captivating Content System, I'll put a link below in the description. Also, hey, I do a Q&A every month on my VIP club, and it's really inexpensive, and it's good coaching. I'll answer any questions that you have, and I'll have a link in there too. And it's I offer a $1.99 7-day trial, and you can start for $1.99 7-day trial, and then and cancel at any time. So anyways, I hope all is well with you, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye-bye.